Hi, I'm Dan Music. Garage door struts serve two purposes. The first is to keep the top section straight and rigid so that as the opener pushes and pulls it, it won't bend the section. The second purpose is to align the hinges so the door can roll through the curved portions of the tracks. In this video, we'll be installing a 16-foot strut that we've joined with a 32-inch connecting strut. This process will also work with a regular standard 16-foot strut.
Install the strut at the top of the door, at the top of the stile. The strut is 2 inches wide, and the top fixtures need to be below the strut. This may require you to lower the top fixtures. For complete instructions on how to lower the fixtures, please follow the link to our tutorial on adjusting top fixtures. Measure the 2-inch point and drop the fixture so the top of the fixture is below that line. On some doors, the dimension may be closer to 2.5 to 3 inches. You may also need to rotate the top fixture and reinstall the roller in order for the door to function properly. Once the top fixtures are lowered, install the strut. Install one screw in the center of the strut to hold it in position. Notice on this application the strut is 3/4 from the top. Depending on the position of the top fixtures, the strut may need to be installed higher. Next, secure the ends of the strut with screws on the top and bottom of each ends. The number of stiles on the door may vary. Go back to the additional stiles and install 2 screws, one on the top, the other on the bottom, with an offset so that one is biased to the left, the other to the right. Finally, return to the center and install 1 screw on the bottom. We hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.